Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Half a dog ain't dead and bled out red for years. They has been dying. 33 shot itself like Chatterbob, so that gangsta shit I ain't buying. Use bitch as the shit when shit get real, then Mudo T start hiding. First nigga fall, we fuck won't get back up, don't slip when you see us sliding. Useless hand main cause major pain.
Nigga trying to show out.
Saw the flashes, we start sparking. One nigga died. We really put opposite calls. Don't work no 9 to 5. Ain't safe outside in the hot.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sean CVI. You feel we back at it again with another video for y'all. Y'all boys can see we're behind the wheel of the big Hellcat. You feel me? So we finna give y'all boys a little Sunday morning type of POV. I thought I seen smoke coming from my hood. I had made a mistake when I cropped my car this morning. I put my max back in and it was on the gas pedal. So when I cropped the car, that bitch goddamn, the car revved up high as hell. I was like, what the fuck? I thought my goddamn gas pedal was stuck, but it was because of the rub being on that bitch. So I thought I had seen smoke, like I blew my motor, but I guess I'm good, you feel me? No cap. But anyway, y'all, we just finna do like a little drive for y'all boys today, you feel me? Y'all see your boy got shorts on, so you know that it's, you feel me, the weather is pretty good outside. So, you feel me, why not get our boys some content? I really need to get over. Fuck it, we finna get over. We gotta get through Belsma. I thought I heard copyright. That's a nigga brakes. I mean, that's the suspension on the back of that trailer. That bitch squeaking like hell. I know y'all hear that bit echoing off the all people's cars. I know that shit be loud as hell. Look at that ass over there looking. They can't run from this supercharger. No cap. Look at I don't be seeing no other cars on the road no more though, y'all. Like back when I had my scat pack, people just used to be in traffic trying to pick on a nigga and shit. After I went cat, you rarely find people who want to pick on you. And when they do want to pick on you, they shit is not stopped at all. Them niggas should be moving. They go GT350 right there though. That bitch was clean as hell. You don't really see no GT350s all the time. We back, my camera had ran out of goddamn storage. But you feel me? Now we back in the game, you feel me? Let me do a little pull. Woo! See, that gets your adrenaline rushing. And no, that was not full throttle. I don't think it was. And also, this was done in Mexico. So if y'all think that I'm somewhere in the United States, you feel me? I'm not. Oh yeah, I'm back again because I don't know what's wrong with my phone. It keep acting like I don't got no storage, but I do. It's getting on my motherfucking nerves. I'm trying to catch this Audi right here. Let's see. I gotta watch out for the police though. Oh, there you go, right there. Let's hawk his ass down, right there. But we got, damn, he turning off. Fuck! That nigga live another day. He can't get his ass clapped up by the cat. We'll get him next time though, y'all. We'll get him next time. I know these niggas in their truck ain't trying to race. I know they ain't trying to race. Come on now, you gonna get your ass dusted. I know they're gonna be looking over here probably. Let's see if they're looking over here. I'm gonna try to stop to where they're gonna get in front of me. Nah, they don't want to. Them niggas in that minivan were looking back like, what the fuck is that? Yeah, nigga, I hear that tornado sound behind y'all niggas on everything. Nigga hear that tornado siren. Supercharger sound loud as hell. I don't know what that dude in that truck doing. His ass goddamn thinking we trying to race and shit. Nigga, I'm making YouTube content. And he don't want to race in that big ass truck. He'll wrap that bitch around a tree. That nigga gonna be dead. And I'ma still be recording. So I can get me some motherfucking footage, nigga. Oh shit, I hope that Durango don't tear my ass up. I thought his ass finna pull out in front of me. Where I'm actually headed to is to get him some mices so he can eat, you feel me? You know, if you feed snakes every 2 weeks, well, we feed him every 2 weeks because, you know, snakes digest their food very, very slow. So it's his feeding time. So I'm headed to pick him up some mice. For real, for real. Let's see. A little something. This shit right here, right, you killing a nigga gas mileage. But oh well, you can't complain about gas when you buy a Hellcat. Hellcat don't give a fuck about no gas mileage. That bitch just say, nigga, you know what the fuck you signed up for when you bought this car, nigga. So when I get to chugging this shit, nigga, don't get mad. And when I bought this car, I instantly understood that bitch be chugging shit down. I think I need to check my intake. Oh shit, that car right there scared me. That damn white Lexus. I thought that nigga finna go head up with my ass. Oh God. But I need to check my intake to make sure that it's not loose. Because I keep hearing like a whistle that's like basically like when my car is decelerating, the whistle is like de-accelerating. And I don't remember that shit doing that. I don't know, I gotta check something out. I gotta make sure I ain't mess up the cat. Stupid ass rug. That bitch should never even been in the motherfucking back seat. But oh well. Everybody who worked in this facility heard that shit. You feel me? Right now we're downtown, you feel me? And we finna head to the warehouse so I can get y'all boys some lit footage. I am gonna probably put my backup camera, not my backup, I don't know why I keep saying that dumbass shit, but I'm gonna put my Insta360 camera on whenever I slide tonight so I can get y'all boys some, you know, some sliding footage, you feel me? But right now I'm looking for the motherfucking freeway. So I can figure out how to get on the freeway. I don't really know downtown all like that, but I do know that I need to be getting on the freeway. Let me get y'all boys a little pull. Nothing too crazy. Y'all hear that motherfucker? That bitch crying. Now I gotta get over. You gotta be careful when you get on the freeway over here. This a tight ass entry. Oh God. You can tell by all the scars and shit on the little concrete barrier that a nigga done been drunk, hopped up on that bitch and mangled they shit up. Like it's a lot of traffic on the freeway this kind of night. Everybody want to drive slow and shit. Look at that marrow. Nigga trying to show out. I probably know who that is. They been loud as fuck. Damn, I don't even know what to talk about this video, y'all. I've been around this bitch thinking about something to say. I know y'all be like, son, you don't gotta talk all the time, but shit, I feel like when I talk, the commissary be, you feel me, what some people come to the VLs to watch. A nigga talk, hit a car, you feel me? Both of them go together, you feel me? For real, y'all. What I'm doing in this video, I'm gonna be letting my girl slide my car. I want to say for the first time, but the first time she ever tried to slide it, it was when it was snowing, you feel me? So this is basically like, what I want to say, goddamn. I don't really know what the fuck I want to say. But she right here, is you ready to slide? Yeah, I can't even see her because it's dark as hell in this hole, but hopefully she don't crash the car, you feel me? I don't think she will, you feel me? I think that she been with me enough to know how not to run to a damn wall or a curb. If you see a curb, you get out that bitch and you just start over. But we got some brand new tires on that bitch, you feel me? So, you feel me?
Thanks to me.
Yeah, thanks to her, she bought them. Don't just act like you buying them strictly for me. It's kind of for you too. But yeah, I'm gonna get some content of her sliding as well, you feel me? So I'm gonna be having the Insta360 camera on that bitch, and we're gonna get y'all some content, nigga. Y'all, so we made it to the spot, you feel me? Gotta go ahead and cut traction off for her. Yeah, hopefully she don't tear my shit up.
Can you remove the mat?
The who? Bruh. God damn, bruh. You can remove it. You can do it. That shit hard as hell to get. A loose and unloose. Yeah, look, I got the pics. Got my boy Demon up in this bitch. You feel me? Hopefully he don't get sad and slither away or mad because of her driving. Just go up a little bit. We gotta make sure no cars come around this bitch though. Alright. So you just gonna put the car in manual mode and you gonna smash the gas and you gonna just
turn.
You gonna do not too much, yeah. But yeah, just try.
Wait. Okay, you said do what now?
Just smash the gas and then you gonna,
Keep
feathering it.
So hold on.
Feather, keep pressing the gas. Alright, stop. Okay, I don't know what the fuck to tell you to do. Damn, the snake.
Oh shit, trees.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hey,
You ain't. I don't know what to tell you to do. You gotta get it loose.
so just keep tapping. Like
You gonna start one. You gonna smash the gas. You gonna hold it down for a little minute till the car gets sideways. Then
So-
you gonna feather it.
okay, so hold the gas down, and then damn,
Bro.
shake it.
You gonna smash the gas when you feel the car get sideways and you catch it. You just gonna ease on the gas.
Hold on.
Type shit.
Okay. Damn, I'm being shaky. Okay, hold on.
Yeah.
Okay. So press down on the gas.
Yeah.
Like,
But go out a little bit more.
like right here.
Yeah, that's cool. That's not going. Stop.
Right.